I'm here with my Aroma Whatever Pot. Let's see if we could cook some pancakes. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. This video is not about pancake batter. You could use any kind of pancake batter you want. This video is about the Aroma Whatever Pot and does it have the ability to cook pancakes. So I have had this heating up on medium. It's good and hot right now. I'm gonna put some butter on the bottom of the pan. And let's see if we could cook some pancakes. The problem that I see is that the bottom of this is not flat. Okay. So there's some pancake batter. So the questions are, is it gonna stick? Is it gonna cook? Is it gonna burn? I'm surprised it did not roll to the edge more than it is, but I guess I tried to put it in the center. So we'll see what happens. I'm finally starting to see some little bubbles forming on top of the pancake. The batter that I'm using is made with an egg and some freshly milled flour and a little bit of brown sugar and some apple cider and a little bit of baking soda. I'm basically just using what I have on hand. So now that I do see the bubbles forming, can we flip this or is it not ready to be flipped? Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Wow, that looks pretty good. It's a little bit more brown than I thought it would be, but looks are deceiving right now. Like I thought the top of that was going to be like much more liquidy than it was. I'm gonna say that's done. I want to see if I can make like two at the same time. I don't have that much batter left, but I just want to see what happens if I put them like off center. So each of them has kind of run to the side a little bit. Do you see what's going on? How the batter's kind of run to this side and run to that side. I mean, they should still cook, although the pancakes are probably going to be uneven. These next two pancakes are getting really bubbly. Let's turn them over. Uh-oh, are they sticking on the side? So the side, the very edge, obviously is not cooking as well as the part that's more toward the middle. See how messy this one is? Because around the edge it was still like really raw. So now we know that if we want to make pancakes in this whatever pot, we have to try to keep the batter, I would say, an inch away from the walls of the pot. Anything that's like within the center that's at least an inch away is going to cook fine. And the outer portion is not going to cook as well, but that makes sense because of the heating element underneath this pan. I'll show you the heating element at the end of the video so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm wondering if I need to flip these again just the opposite way. Well, they actually look like they're cooked. I think these are cooked. They're not very pretty, but they're cooked. Like, the job is done. Here are my pancakes. This is the one that was cooked in the center, and then these were the two that were cooked off to the side. Obviously, this one looks a lot better than the other two. So I'm just gonna taste one. The first one I tasted is kind of dry. Let's see the second one. The part I tried was a little bit thicker. It's nicer when it's thicker. And this one is like way thinner. Yeah, they're fine. This is fine for a really quick and cheap breakfast. So I'm just going to add some butter and syrup to these and then enjoy these for my breakfast today. Here's what the heating element looks like. So this entire part in here is the heating element. As you can see, there's like a few inches between that and the edges. And then once you put the pot in, you know, that takes up a little bit of this edge space also. So this is why the pancakes did not cook around the very edges, but they did cook better in the middle. But that is how you can make pancakes in this Aroma Whatever pot. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in these small appliances. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.